Welcome to another video. Manual on how to work and how to conduct your trades within the Arbitrade Pro, which is one of the largest management platforms of predictive markets. Then Arbitrade Pro is an official builder from Polymarket, and with Arbitrade Pro, you will be able to carry out your trades as you come, performing normally in predictive markets. In this video, we are going to teach you some items here, how to buy sale, and other functions available inside. So for that, we will use here on this panel of ours. Let's explain that here. We have the automations or the boats available for your use. In addition, we have trending markets here. In addition to other information, on this navigation bar, you can choose the market you are interested in, or simply add him here in this bar so he can access what you are interested in. So let's access the crypto market here in 5 minutes to have as a reference how it works. Each type of market here, the crypto market in reference. In this case, it is a market considered binary. You have two options of if it will go up or if it will go down. Within this market, you have order here. Book, which are the user operations being carried out. The charts of each market up here, and next to the market name, you have where he comes from. In this case, the Polymarket logo in addition to the volume. The end date liquidity, in short, several functions and operations to facilitate all trade here at this time. On this graph, we can also change to the next time frame or date. We can switch to the next inspiration. And you can also consider changing here your chart for the candle chart. 15 minutes, 5 minutes, or even 30-15, or even 5 seconds. Where will you get the drive every 15 seconds? By Polymarket standard. We have the 15-minute graph here. On this panel, you already have the control panel, as you are already used to on other predictive market platforms. So here you have the option of up 50 cents or down 40 cents. You can make the purchase, market, or making a market purchase. You simply put here your value, which is in. You have the information and click up. Naturally, your operation, go check. So at that moment, a liquidity, and we'll make the purchase. Coming here, for this position area right down here, when your purchase comes to positions, you can naturally see that it was carried out. So we just bought here $1 into Bitcoin within this market, with its price here at 56 cents. Update the price of your share is at 26 cents. The value you have, $1 you just bought, as profit is falling in the, you have 0.42 right now. And you can just leave, since you are seeing that you have one damage. Just click Sky and just 100%. And if it's below $1, you have to click on the FAQ. Partial view accepted, and then you click FAQ sell and click back outside the box. That you will naturally sell this. Operation. One time okay. If you want, still enter the market, you can click down. Click $1 there and buy. Buy down shall come in again. For his operations here, he finds liquidity within and will enter in the positions below. Open after you've made this purchase. So okay, this purchase was made, and you are now positioned in profit because you came in favor of the share is being priced. So here's your profit. You want to leave before profit, can do the same thing. How do you have more than $1? You don't need to click on the FAQSI. It's only 100% you want to sell and ready selling. And your value here, you had 10. 0 profit. 10 point is there. So you can come here on activities and you will see that first operation you left at damage. You received 0.46. In this next operation, you Bought it with $1, and there will be heaven up here. Of your value, added to your profit up here. So wait, what will happen? This analysis of the arbitrariness to trust and get it right with Polymarket, that your profit was 10 cents. So you bought $1 to 81 cents. Sold for 89 cents, earning 1 in 10. And here is the time of everything that happens. In addition, you have the live trades. Hear from other users who have been shopping. In this market, in case you want to follow, third-party purchases are beyond that. Those who are currently buying the most. Within top holders, your activity from everything you did, your open orders and position. In this function, we have just shown you how to buy. To market, buying limit is different because you decide what price do you want to buy? Is the price schedule. So you want to buy 50 cents a down? You just put here, puts how much you want to buy, and define what is the date or the hour of inspiration, so you don't stay in position for a long time. And simply place your limit purchase. Okay, then he will schedule your purchase in the next 24 hours to 50 cents. How this market here has 5-minute inspiration. We won't be able to do this way, this correct purchase, then you simply close. And ready, go to markets. Obviously, if you decided here for 24 hours, markets with more than 24 hours of inspiration, okay. In addition, we will move on to the next market here. We have the purchase. Call. Split or split, you simply set its value. And you will share your operation, so you will come in with $2 and will click split. What happens? When you click split, divides the operation both up and down. Then you enter both directions. Here with the value you set up there, okay? So this is the split where you determine these inputs within Pro Arthritis. In the same case, you set merge to simply close the positions you have. Inside here, your schedule or your open positions. So explain you buy and share and merge you close. Both positions that are there. Open, okay. So for the next video, we will explain what are the managements available here. Within Arbitrade, clicking on Advanced Settings where we will have here. In Advancing Settings, we will have one series of managements available for you to follow and be able to carry out studies of what is best, attracts you and what best fits your profile.